Do you want to feel the best you can with more energy and vitality from the inside out? Do you want to learn the secret to Japanese health and longevity? The secret that even most Japanese people are not aware of is ancient Japanese superfoods. Hi, I'm Yoshiko. I'm a cooking teacher and chef with over 20 years experience, author of 3 international cookbooks, and a health and nutrition coach. Today, I'm here to talk to you about our 30-day challenge, Spring Cleaning with Japanese Superfoods. With busy schedules, lots of daily stresses, and generally poor diets, our health and diet tends to become worse and worse, meaning our health and waistline pay the price. It doesn't have to be that way though. We all deserve to feel fantastic and live a long life, free of pain, sickness, and health problems. And one of the most effective and simplest ways to improve our health is, of course, through our diet with the ancient wisdom and power of Japanese superfoods. The 30-day Spring Clean Challenge with Japanese superfoods give you back control of your health and diet. Japanese superfoods are now scientifically proven to have aided in Japanese people's great health and longevity. This program helps you learn how to incorporate these ancient Japanese superfoods into your daily meals because you deserve a long life of health, joy, and vitality. Luckily for you, this challenge is not complicated or time-consuming. It's about easy and simple eating habits, suitable for all people regardless of your cooking skills. When taking back your health, no one wants to feel hungry. This challenge is not about starving or restricting yourself. It's about nourishing your body with whole real foods. It's about eating with the right timing in the right way. This 30-day challenge with Japanese superfoods has previously helped so many of my clients, and it provides real, noticeable results. For example, Emma loved the sustainability and flexibility of the program. She lost 4 kilos, cleared her skin, found her sleeping improved, and even had the energy to go to the gym 6 days a week. Linda's energy improved. She experienced no bloating and lost 4 kilos. She loved how she never felt hungry during the program. Thanks to the power of Japanese superfoods like Stella, you can improve the focus by getting rid of nasty craving for sugar and even coffee. It's about result and habit you can maintain for life. While most of my clients experience weight loss, increases in energy, and overall better health, this challenge isn't a quick fix. Like Rosemary, who lost 6 kilos and kept it off, you can experience results and habits that you can maintain for life. You might like to think of me as a healthy eating cheerleader. So, what better way to jumpstart the warmer month than taking back control of your health and experiencing all the benefits this challenge brings? Imagine rediscovering the joy of eating well and becoming the healthiest you can be. You deserve it. Thank you for listening. I cannot wait for you to join and to work together to be your best self.